set to go now, race number 3. Horses out, we have most reliable pass to begin. Nurture Nature is on the outside. Racing in third comes Senor Vito. Esprit de Corps comes next. And in fifth, Rage, Suave Saint, and Big Lab is racing in last. Most reliable Nurture Nature in between horses. Alongside third, Senor Vito. 4 lengths now in fourth is Esprit de Corps. Rage is racing in fifth. Then comes Suave Saint. And a long way back to Big Lab. Nurture Nature takes the lead. Most reliable is running by Drella. Senor Vito now coming closer on the outside. Nurture Nature rushing up. Senor Vito now on the outside to take the lead. Now we have Senor Vito. Nurture Nature is running by Drella. Most reliable Esprit de Corps now coming closer in third. Senor Vito. Nurture Nature. Esprit de Corps joining them on the outside third. Most reliable in for us. They come there at the last 50. Senor Vito, Nurture Nature, Esprit de Corps is on the outside. But still, Senor Vito, followed by Nurture Nature, Esprit de Corps, Suave Saint, and down to the finish. It's still Senor Vito. And finally, the birthday boy, JB Guse on Senor Vito. Second, Suave Saint, then comes Esprit de Corps, Rage.